Welcome to another trade recap. Got some news for you all. I have a broken foot. You can see, got a big fat boot on, which of course isn't epic. So as I have broken my foot, I cannot work, which means I can't make money. So I'm hoping I can still control my mindset, because if I can't make money from work, a part of me will probably want to over risk, take dumb trades, and try and make money from this when I need to not focus on the money at all. So something to keep in mind today: keep a strong head. Yesterday, here's the account sitting after yesterday. This was our big win last week. Small win on Friday, then a bit of a loss yesterday. And my lessons from yesterday: don't get greedy. Move the monetary value, because I was a bit greedy yesterday. Don't get greedy. I've said if I'm using a high time frame imbalance, both of the indexes need to fill it. Detach from the outcome, don't care about the percent. On no news days, today is another no news day. Big moves might not happen. I had an 18 tick move here. I should have been content with that. And it was 1.06 RR, so anything over 1 RR is good trade. Need to remember that. And they were equal lows where I should have took profit. So lessons from yesterday: what did I do wrong? Did not take profit. NQ didn't hit the point of interest yet. And my stop was a bit too big, because 9 ticks wasn't that 9 ticks wasn't that much of a stop. So lessons from yesterday to take into account going into today, because it is another no news day. And yeah, let's just talk this out. So there's 4 hour lows here. Price is currently within a 4 hour imbalance. ES is above it at the minute, but I will be interested to see where this candle closes, if we inverse this 4 hour imbalance or not. NQ at the minute has filled it out, but it's not above it, so something to keep in mind. And there's also 4 hour lows down here on both indexes. 4 hour lows, not 1 hour lows. Only 4 hour lows there. And there's also this 1 hour imbalance on both that hasn't come into play yet during pre-market, which is nice. And then there's also on both 1 hour highs right there. And then to the upside, these sets of 1 hour highs and those 4 hour highs, 1 hour highs, and then 4 hour highs. 2 o'clock yesterday, they don't exist. Those highs don't exist on ES. That's another thing to keep in mind. Then 10-11 yesterday, 10-11 yesterday. Yeah, okay, so pretty simple. If price comes into here on both, 5-minute move up, 5-minute retrace moves higher. Same with this. If price comes up to these hourly highs, 5-minute down, 5-minute up, retrace, then shorts. The account is sitting at 51,256, so risking 0.5% again today, $250, because it is a no news day. But it really does depend on the setup and how price is looking, because it's not looking the nicest right now. If price does come up and sweep out those hourly highs pre-market, I will disregard them, because I don't like taking sweeps from pre-market. And we have got 12 minutes until market open, so we'll see what happens. But if we do take out those hourly highs pre-market, I won't consider that something to take a short off of, just because I don't like it. I like to see my points of interest interacted with when market opens, rather than before market opens. It's just a preference. It's just a rule that I've set for myself. So yeah, that's my outlook on the day. Hoping I can keep a strong mind, and be patient. I'm going to read out my rules again. Observe and react. Don't spam buttons. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Be an observer. No trades is still a winning position. One day will not fix it. Submit to the process. Let the market give you the opportunity. Efficiency, habits, patience, vision, drive, and time. 6 important factors for success. Be aware and just zoom out and be aware of what you're doing. And always remember, there is another trading day, always. So just observe and react. So that is what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at today. Nice and simple. We'll see what happens. I'm going to just quickly mark out. Oh, I'm not going to mark out 15-minute lows, because they've been taken on NQ. So I am just going to see what price gives us and react accordingly. I will catch you all when I have done. I don't even know why I took the second trade. I literally called it. I knew I called it at my mindset not being right, and I just took it because I wanted to trade. I guess I've lost a lot of profits. I'm minus 370 on the day. My account's at 50,800 now. So I'm like 1.5% in profit. Again, it's not a good day. I've lost over 0.5% today and I'm not happy with it. We can cover the first trade that I took. So those 1 hour highs got swept out before market had opened by 1 minute, as you can see right there. Swept out 1 minute before market open, and I should have just not regarded it as a trade. But then price broke 5-minute structure on both indexes at the same time. And I was like, cool, let's wait for a 5-minute retrace off of that sweep. NQ legs up above the high but closes down here. I'm like, that's a valid 5-minute retrace. So I can look for a trade after 9:40. I had equilibrium, drew on from the high to the low. And then there was this 1 minute imbalance, and this candle inverses it by 1 tick, 25 cents, and out of equilibrium. I shorted there. My stop was above the highs, something like that. That's what it looked like. My target at the bottom of that 1 hour imbalance, and I got stopped out. This trade was pure. How did I look at this price action and think, yeah, I'll trade this? That was pure wanting to trade, FOMO, because technically it did inverse, and I was like, right, I don't want to miss out on the move when I should have just waited for more confirmation. Pure FOMO, and also no discipline in regards to my rules, because I say a rule, no sweep before pre-market is valid, and I didn't even follow that rule. So lack of discipline and FOMO on that first trade, not good at all. We lost $141 on that trade, which is fine. I was fine with that loss. And then price came all the way up and took out these 1 hour highs on NQ and not on ES, just took out the 15-minute highs. Did not get up to there, so SMT divergence, that's cool. Get a 5-minute down candle. So I was waiting for a 5-minute up candle retrace. Get that here at 10:15, so 10:20 I can wait for a trade. Equilibrium from the 5-minute high to the 5-minute low. There was no other 1 minute confirmations at all other than 5-minute equilibrium, and price tapped this 1 hour order block, the 1 minute order block. Didn't even, it made equal with the 1 minute order block, and then closed out of equilibrium, and I entered there. And then I don't even know why I entered. That was the bigger loss for the day. That was $225. Ending the day $370 down, 50,800. And I might call it a week. I probably won't, because I've got nothing else to do, because now I've broken my foot, I've got nothing to do. But my head's not on right. Yesterday and today my headspace hasn't been right. I don't know what it is, I just don't feel right. But obviously I can't blame that on the loss. I can't blame the losses on that. These trades today was pure FOMO, pure wanting to trade, pure wanting the percentage and passing the account, because I can't make money at work anymore for the rest of probably this month. So I want to get this challenge passed, and I've just cocked the challenge up anyway. I shouldn't care about the outcome still, but I do care about the outcome of my actions today, because it should have been a no trading day. How did I look at today's price action and think, yeah, I'll take two trades? What am I doing? So yeah, I am going to log out the broker now. I'm going to quickly screenshot this trade there, and then I'm going to log out the broker so I just don't end up taking another trade for the day. Because I don't want to. Oh, that's $370 down. That is well over what I wanted to risk for the day. It's not been a good 2 days so far. No news days haven't been nice to me this week. They've been nice before. No news days have been really good before. And there was more volume today than yesterday. but it still should have just been completely avoided. And that's what's holding people back from being profitable. It's the small losses that eat away at your profits, the small mistakes. And I'm fully aware of that. I'm fully aware of the small mistakes will eat away at your profits, and that's what's holding you back from profitability. And I still do it. I still make the small mistakes. I'm still not disciplined enough. I'm not in the right headspace this week. I need to come back with a fresh mind tomorrow, reevaluate my head, reevaluate my goals, reevaluate where I want to take this, because honestly, the past today and yesterday, my head's just not been screwed on right. I've become so monetary since Friday. I've become so monetary focused. Because after that win on Friday, where I was just like, oh yeah, I'm wicked now, I can predict the market, and I made like $40. Since then, I've really cared about the monetary value, and I need to get that thing shaken again. Because last week we had a really good week, and then this week it just hasn't been it, because it's been 2 no news days and we've taken 2 bullshit trades. So, small trade recap. I've got nothing really to say. It was an hourly sweep before market open, a 5-minute break of structure, and then 1-minute confirmation in the form of, how am I looking at this and taking a trade in there? I don't know. So I'm going to go and journal these losses now. These absolutely ridiculous losses. That second trade was just pointless. Pointless. It was genuinely stupid. There was no 1-minute confirmations. I said to myself, but there's no 1-minute confirmations here. And I was just looking for it. I was trying to force it. I did force it, and I paid the price. I didn't follow my rules, and I've got no discipline with my rules. I didn't meditate today because I've been at the hospital. So it's not. I'm just so annoyed at myself for tripping over yesterday at work, breaking my foot. I'm annoyed at myself for these losses today. I need to not go full tilt. I'm paying £40 for a resubscription on this account anyway. That ends. This account ends on the 16th of. Look at this. Loss. 2 wins, made all those losses back. Win, loss, no trades, loss. And then last week, win, no trades, win. Really good week. And then this week so far, I've lost. This week so far, I'm back down to. I haven't lost those profits yet. I'm at 50,800, and I haven't filled that second trade in yet on here. But I'm back to where I was. Yeah, I'm pretty much back to where I was after I finished on Wednesday. So that's 2 days worth of profits gone in 2 days as well. It's not how it should be. It should be 2 days worth of profits in 4 days at least. So that's not. The risk management has not been good today. It was good yesterday. In the first trade, the risk management was good as well. Down here, it was good risk management as well. But I don't feel like there. Yeah, that's the right trade. So yeah, the risk management in this was good. I lost $241 and I was fine. And then this trade shouldn't have happened at all. What am I going for here? What am I looking at to take this? It makes no sense. So I definitely need to reevaluate my headspace before tomorrow. Reevaluate what I'm doing, and come back with a fresh mind, because that was pretty silly of me. Those 2 losses was very silly of me. And it's just these small losses hold me back. They hold everyone back. I'd say I'm a break-even trader, and it's because of these small mistakes. And one thing I need to improve on a lot is identifying market conditions when it's not good to trade and being able to not trade it. So I know I was looking at, especially that second trade, I was like, right, I shouldn't trade these conditions. And I couldn't hold myself back. I took a trade. So, learning opportunity. I should beat myself up, but I shouldn't get annoyed at the monetary value, but my risk management wasn't good at all. So I should beat myself up about it. So it's tough. It's tough. But yeah. That being said, I'll wrap this one up. Peace out.